This video will show you how to create assignments or announcements for a class that you have created in Google Classroom. Once you've set up all of your classes in Google Classroom and you have given students a code to join your class, next you'll need to be able to give them assignments, announcements, or a question to post in the class. If you are not sure how to set up and create a class, please see my other Google Classroom video that goes over the entire Google Classroom and all of its different aspects. Okay, on this main page for Science Block 1, I've created this class, and this is the title of it at the top. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see a large plus sign. When you click or hover over the plus sign, it pops up with several things that you can do. You can create an announcement. You can create an assignment by clicking the icon that looks like a clipboard, or you can create a question for your class. I'm going to create an announcement first, and remember the announcements will show up in my stream, which is like a news feed on Facebook. So click Create Announcement. You can decide which class you want to post this announcement in. So if you want to post it for multiple classes, you can select the classes here by placing a check in the box next to it. This will prevent you from having to make the same announcement more than one time. So select the class that you would like the announcement to be posted in, and then simply type your post. You can also give the announcement a topic. Giving assignments and announcements topics will help you to organize your class better if you would like to organize things into units or groups, so that later you can easily find anything you've ever posted, for example, on lizards or hurricanes, whatever your topic is. And then simply press Post. If you would like to schedule this post for later, maybe you have time now to sit at your computer and work on the announcements and assignments, but you're not ready for the students to be able to view this yet, click the drop-down button next to the word Post, and you can simply schedule the announcement or assignment for a later time by clicking Schedule, and it will allow you to pick anywhere on the calendar that you would like for this announcement to post, as well as the time, and then click Schedule. I'm going to go ahead and post it now so you can see what it looks like, and here is my announcement posted at 10:05. Now to add an assignment, you'll click the plus sign and click Create Assignment. Again, a familiar block will pop up that looks similar to the announcement. You can drop down and select which classes you want to give this assignment to. You can give the assignment a title. You can type instructions for your students on what you would like them to do for the assignment. Okay, I've typed some instructions. I'm going to have my students watch a video first, and then they're going to have a document to write a paragraph on, and I will give specific instructions in that document to tell them how many sentences to write, and they're going to tell how tornadoes and hurricanes are similar and different. I can give this assignment a due date. I can also give it a time to be due if I want to specify that. And again, I can create a topic for it. If my unit is about hurricanes, I can post that as my topic. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see 4 different icons, and this is how you can attach the assignment for your students to complete. The first one, the paperclip, is simply to just attach, like you would attach a document to an email, for example. The next one, the triangle, is to attach an item from your Google Drive. Then we have something that looks like a play button. That's to attach a YouTube video if you have a video you want students to watch. And then finally the link is to attach a website you would like the students to go to. So the first thing I've asked the kids to do is to watch a video, and then they're going to write a brief paragraph. So I want to first attach my video. If you know the exact URL of your video, you can click URL and type the address in here. or you could use the video search and search for your topic. For right now, I'm going to search for hurricanes versus tornadoes. And it brings up tons of videos. Once you have decided which video you prefer your students to watch, click the video to select it and click Add. You can see the video in the list. And now I want students to also write a paragraph. Before doing this, I went to Google Docs, opened a new sheet, and created a document with a namespace and telling the students the instructions on how to create their paragraph. This is saved in my Google Drive. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive and find the assignment and click Add. Now when I add this Google Doc, a new box appears on the right side. This drop-down menu will allow you to either let students just view your file. You can let students edit your file. I would not recommend allowing kids to edit your file if it is something that you want to save in the future. So either allow them to just be able to view it and read it, or this neat selection at the bottom is make a copy for each student. When you select this, it will send a copy to each child and will automatically put their name as part of the title of the document. So it would say Hurricanes versus Tornadoes Writing Piece - Cassie Dial, and it would automatically put the student's name on their own document. So I'm going to make a copy for each student. This way the student can edit it and create their own work on this copy, and it will not change my original. Again, you can click this drop-down arrow next to the word Assign, and you can schedule the assignment for a later time if you prefer. Or you can save the draft and work on it again later. I'm going to click Assign. And now the assignment appears in my stream of my science class also. Here's the announcement we added earlier, but you can see an assignment has a due date across the top, and it also on the right side will let you know how many of your students have completed the assignment and how many of your students are still working on the assignment. When they log into the class, they will be able to simply click on the video, watch the video, and then click on their document to complete their written assignment. Once they submit, it will show that they have completed the assignment in the top right-hand corner. If you want to delete an assignment or edit the assignment, in the top right-hand corner, you will see 3 dots. Simply click on the 3 dots, and it will give you the option to either edit or to delete. You can also copy the assignment link if you prefer. And that is how you create assignments and announcements in Google Classroom.